Hello, Wildcat community. This is Mr. Delanda, the principal. This year has been a year like no other. The unprecedented circumstances that we have found ourselves in as a nation and a community have created challenges for us that no one could have foreseen. With the coronavirus pandemic, we have had to adjust to state and county health protocols that made traditional teaching and learning a challenge. Now that health guidelines have eased with the introduction of a vaccine and improved health conditions in our county, we are finishing up this school year in a hybrid learning program. Through all of these challenges and changes, we have stuck together as a community for the greater good of our children's education. Wildcat families, I would like to thank you for working with us in this endeavor. Challenges that we face can be leveraged as areas of growth. As we come back to school next year, we will use what we have learned this last year to further our progress in preparing our children for an uncertain future in the 21st century. For example, the use of technology in teaching and learning has grown exponentially with students, staff, and our families. To build on this, we have purchased state-of-the-art technology such as 75-inch interactive monitors for classes to use as a pilot program next school year. Regardless of how uncertain the future is, we can be sure that knowledge and use of technology will continue to be an essential skill set of any career path for our growing students. As we enter the next school year, our goals will align with the three areas most important for setting our students up for success. These three areas of focus will be academic progress, social and emotional development, and creative growth. By focusing our school goals on these three areas, we will set up our students for success in the future. Please take the time this summer to expose your children to enrichment opportunities that will help them expand their perspectives. By introducing our children to things such as art museums, swimming classes, sports programs, and library reading programs, we offer our children a chance to learn more about perspectives unlike their own. Outdoor activities are essential for our children who are naturally curious about the world around themselves. Take your child on a hike on a local trail, visit the tide pools on the coast, go to a park with nature. These are free opportunities to help your child grow and develop knowledge about the world around them. And most importantly, it gives your child the opportunity to learn about and feel positive about themselves. I would like to conclude with a quote that I see as inspiration for us as a school community from Franklin D. Roosevelt. To reach a port, we must set sail. Sail, not tie anchor. Sail, not drift. Thank you again for taking the journey of the last year with us. As we set sail together to prepare our children for the future, we do so as a community, united and stronger than ever. Please have a wonderful summer. Thank you, and as always, go Wildcats!